GaN is fundamentally a superior technology for high voltage switches compared to silicon or even silicon carbide for that matter, because it is very cost effective compared to silicon carbide. It will be very cost effective compared to silicon as well over time. We are one of probably the only company commercially selling 900 volt GaN, and that's unique to the structure of our device. And our GaN technology will allow us to go to higher voltages without running into the usual challenges people face in GaN technology. So that's unique to us. So again, the cost is a limiting factor for silicon carbide to be widely used. Now, if GaN could do 100, 200 kilowatts, then I think GaN will easily replace both silicon carbide and IGBT. And we are not there yet. I mean, that's a lot of challenges we have to overcome. But my prediction is, over the next few years, I think there could be breakthroughs that will get GaN into those types of power levels. And if you wonder why we won't use it at very low power levels, we can't even make the GaN small enough to handle. So there we would use silicon. So I would say roughly up to 30 watts we would use silicon. Beyond that, we are replacing silicon across the board on our new products with GaN.